This is the Circle of Fame events, and there's an inaugural event at Portsmouth on the 9th and 10th of August 2025, where mind meets mastery. There are going to be lots of networking and workshop opportunities for high-performing entrepreneurs and executives, and there'll be a number of speakers there, some of whom are flying in from other countries to actually speak at the event. So there's going to be a lot of knowledge imparted. Personally, I'm going to be running a workshop there, and it's a great venue at the Village Hotel, Cossam in Portsmouth. And why Portsmouth? Well, it's because it's a vibrant waterfront city, bursting with character, historic city. It's just 90 minutes from London, easily accessible from Heathrow, Gatwick and Southampton airports. There are also good road connections to Portsmouth, either north by the A3 or the M3, and along the whole of the south coast as well, from southeast to southwest. So it's a great venue, and it will be a great event, and look forward to seeing you there at the Circle of Fame event for inspiration, elevation, transformation, and particularly wealth creation through property. Cheers.